All right, now that you've drawn your truss, the next step is to print out a drawing of it so that you can use that to assemble your truss. So what we'll do is we're going to click down here on the plus, we're going to create a drawing, and the drawing template we want is ISO A4. Sometimes it might not show up, so you have to click on ISO and find the ISO A4. ISO means it's metric, A4 just means it's a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So we're going to click on the ISO template and then click OK. It's going to ask us what part do we want to make a drawing of. So I'm going to go to my truss and then click on the truss and lay that down. You're going to notice that when it lays down my truss, it's a really small version of it. So I'm going to hit escape, and now that I have my truss by itself, I can view properties, and we're going to change the property of that to 1:1, and that will actually make it our scale drawing. So I'm going to click OK with that, and then you can tell that's not going to fit on one sheet of paper. So all we're going to do right now is dimension it and make sure that we have some dimensions that we can refer back to later. So I'm going to do kind of one of the angles and the overall length. And then I'm going to also put my name down here and my title of my project. My project is Truss Scale Drawing. All right. Now that that's ready to print, what we'll do is go up to the 3 lines. We're going to hit print, and that should activate a new window for you. We're going to hit OK. And when the print settings come up, we need to make sure that you're either in the default print settings or in the custom print settings. We want it to be 100%. We want it to be actually to scale. So then I hit print, and then we can close that. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slide my drawing over to the left just a little bit, make sure I get the right side of my bridge in there. And then now I'm going to print that side of the bridge. So again, 3 lines, print, print, and double check that my settings are either to default or custom, and then hit print again. And then what's going to happen is you're going to have 2 sheets of paper. You can check to make sure with a ruler that your scale is correct, and then also your next step would be to now tape those 2 pieces together, and then you get your full length bridge template. Then you can start building your bridge. Good luck, and let me know if you need any help.